Papa, like I said to Memorial Service, this man is the first man and the last man. He's the only man who made me understand what it's like to have a father in your life. This man does not tell me. The only time William better once in his life, once. Like I can swear. Not all I'm a good boy, in about Lord. He did it only once, and he did it because 9 points like a man. Mama cannot be August family at Denmark. You know, and he did it because of Mama. Maybe it's because I'm a rat, I don't know. Mara, later on, I'm going to go to Rabloma, I record the Pietara, and the Quaita, I'm going to change. And we started talking.
From Molokomme and Junior Molokomme. Papa, we loved you and will always love you. Thank you for being a wonderful father to us. You may be gone, Major, but you'll never be forgotten.
In the military, if I had to describe him with one word, it would be scared. In essence, all the military personnel seated here would understand what the word scared means. In essence, it means he knew his story, immense experience, willing to go an extra mile. You would rely on him on any task to carry out. You would help at all costs. And furthermore, he had a heart of gold. So, Malum, Steve, Sergeant Major, Warrant Officer Class 1, you could help, you'd go an extra mile. When you had something for him to do, you'd do it wholeheartedly. That is a definition, or a short definition of myself as Garab. We as the HR section of DOD Ammunition Sub-Depot, we've lost immense experience. To us, at Class 1, is a man or a woman who's having immense experience in the workplace. We had a lot to learn from the member. So in these regards, us as a section, as HR, as well as the unit, we'd like to say rest in peace, Sergeant Major Molokomme. I thank you.
Jesu Kriste murawa mudimu uiche dinna tsogo le bophelo ya dumela go nna o tlo phela le ge a ka be a mme e mongwe le e mongwe ya phelago a dumelago nna a ka seke a ba a kgwa
Amen.